So hello traders. I hope you're having a good weekend. So welcome to again to my YouTube channel. I'll be taking you through what transpired over the week, the trade that I took, and the potential trade that I should have taken, and maybe just a review of how the week was. So welcome. We're going to start with Geo and um, and the trade that I took on Geo. I took the trade on Monday when the market opened. It was a bearish setup. So uh, the market opened at around here. The market was already dropping. So according to the dynamics of the market, if you watch, this was our working range, the 4 high and the 4 low. We had a break of market structure. So at here, the market was operating at a premium market. So the market pushed up high, took up these 4 hour internal high. It was a sweep of liquidities, and then the market closed in a bearish what do you call it? It was a bearish candle. So I'm not selling or buying the candle, but this was where my setup formed. So I drop down to the 15 minutes time frame and show you how the setup was and how it formed. So this was on Monday. This was where the setup was, and after a sweep of liquidities, we had this internal market structure shift in the 15 minutes time frame, and then the market returned to area of interest. This was an order block, and then we can see the drop. I held the trade up to Tuesday, but I had to close it prematurely. Initially, I was to hold this trade up to here, but I had to close it prematurely. So let me show you how the setup was. So this is how the setup was. A clean setup. You can see 15 minutes internal market structure shift. And the market returning to area of interest. This was 61% level. I had to look for other confluence. This was an order block. Uh, and this is how I took the trade. I entered the trade. My stop loss here, and I held the trade up to Tuesday. I exited the market. The market has not really been that good, so I had to close it prematurely. But it was an amazing trade. Apart from that, also I'm not a swing trader. I'm just an intraday trader, so I had to close it and look for any other potential setup that I should have taken. My second trade was on gold. It was also an amazing trade. It was also an amazing trade as well. Um, my analysis started from the 4 time frame. Let's check it out. Mhm. So our working range was is this 4 high and this 4 low, and the market has been retracing to fill these imbalances with a bullish internal structure. So you can see it's very clear the 1 hour time frame. We had this market change of character, break of market structure. So we can see the internal structure fairly has been bullish. So my setup was here. It was on Friday. So the market after retracing, it went to this is the premium. This is the discount. As you can see, this is my equilibrium. So I put it there to show me the 50%. So here is premium and here is discount. So um, uh, the market reached to discount, then drop, and so I was now working with the 1 hour internal structure and see where the market was. So it dropped, came to almost premium of the discount. I mean discount of this 1 hour structure using one here, because as you can see, using the Fibonacci level. Uh, here was the market was at 78% level. So, and this was a discounted market. This was 1 hour discount and also at the same time 4 hour discount. So, knowing that in mind, I initially wanted to see the market do this, break this high, and then return to confirm that now we are respecting the 1 hour bullish structure. So, but that did not happen. I had to wait for other thing for 4 hour CSD, which I can show you. Um, Wow. So we had this 4 hour CSD. Close this and then I'll show you. So we had initially we had this 4 hour CSD. This was the 4 hour CSD. Oh, what's not happening? But let me show you. Let me just mark it. It's not showing. 4 hour. We have this 4 hour CSD first because we did get this break of market structure, but we had a 4 hour CSD. You can see this was first the narrative. This was first my narrative. So after this CSD, then I said now, since uh, we have not respected this four order block, then now I'm expecting the market to be bullish. That is when now I started to look for my bullish setups. So dropping now to the 1 hour time frame, so you can see. So we had this sweep. You can see the market swept this low. You can see the market. Why this thing not showing? Oh, now it's showing now. Okay, so I can show you. You can see. You can see we had this first initial. This was the first for CSD. It's now clear. Changes the set of delivery. In a bullish market, um, in a bearish market, we expect bullish order block to hold the market to go down. But this order block did not hold, so we had the market closing above it, above the opening price of this for bearish order block. So this made me now to think for looking for buys. So dropping to the 1 hour time frame. Initially, also after that, you can see the market swept out this low, this 1 hour low, this 1 hour low. It was also sweeping in this fair value gap and order blocks as well. So we had that one again, and again we had a 1 hour change of state, change the state of delivery. I was telling you. So in a bearish market, we expect these are bearish order blocks to be holding the market to go down. But now at this time it did not hold. So I took the trade when it come to test the when it come to when it came to test this order block. So apart from this confirmation, we had a 15 minute time frame confirmation. We had also a market structure shift. Was it clear in the 5 minute time frame? Let's see. Yeah, it was clear in the 5 minute time frame. So this was where the market structure shift occurred. But it was not this clear. This was not the basis that I took the trade. It was just also another confirmation. So we had this market structure shift, and the market returning to area of discount. So that is in the Fibonacci level. You can measure it. You can measure to see it. So here to here. So you can see here was my area of here was my area of interest. So the market came at a 61% level and then took off. So this was my setup in gold. Yeah, but my confirmation was this 1 hour CSD. So I took the trade from there. It was a nice trade. My stop loss was here, and my TP was just above these highs. That was enough for me. So this was my second trade, and now let's have a look at potential setup that could have happened this week. My first potential setup was here that I should have taken. Let me close these ones. Show you uh, what was I thinking about. You can see. So the market was dropping down. I was just scared of this market. I'm not used to trading gold. So my setup was supposed to be here on Thursday, and after seeing let me show you. This was it. This was could have been the potential setup to see um, the market sweeping this high in a consolidation. So this was the consolidation high. So the market came, swept out those these highs into a fair value gap, and the market was already showing us bearish signs. So confirmation, this was a bearish engulfing. You can see this was a bearish engulfing. So I could have taken that trade, but I didn't. So, but I just watch it play. That was a nice trade. So this is also good for the eyes. So you teach your eyes to see setups like this. This has been a strategy that my friend has been teaching me. So I've been teaching myself to watch over for them. Shout out to Amos who has been teaching me this strategy. You can see a sweep, then a close inside, just sell the market. This was a consolidation, a small consolidation. We had the market sweeping these highs, then closing below, and it was sweeping into a fair value gap. So that could have been a potential setup, but I'm still learning the strategy. I'm taking it with patience. So this could have been a good trade as well, but it was a learning lesson. My second potential setup was on EU, EU and GU on Monday, and this was it also, but it was a very tricky setup. It was a very tricky one. So Monday opened here. I told you Monday opened here. So on Friday we had this market structure shift. You can see very clear. This was the manipulation that almost took out. That almost I don't know. It was just a bad manipulation. So we had this market structure shift, but I'll not consider this was a liquidity sweep. So it was just liquidity taken, and then the market push up. It will be sell side liquidity. Sorry, should be sell side liquidity. This was sell side liquidity taken, and then we had the market structure shift. The market on Monday, it was on Friday when the market started retracing to these imbalances. So on Monday, it completely retraced. So this could have been a potential setup to buy, understanding the market dynamics as well. So the the working range was this for a high and this for a low, and with the market being bullish, with this market structure shift in the 4 time frame, and then uh, uh, and the market's trying to to what we call to 61% level. I normally take my trade at the 61% level. So you can see this could have been the potential setup to take. Uh, but I did not check. So just good for the eyes to know and good to know. So we had the market retracing for almost the 61% level, then should have entered from here, and my stop loss being here. So I'm just teaching my eyes to see the potential setup that's transfer over the week. Another thing, similar thing to uh, GU, let's see, I think GU and EU have a tendency of following each other. So the same potential setup, you can see. Uh, we had this market structure shift. Market is in a discounted area, so we just wait for the market. Time it at the 61% level, then we wait for it to push higher. So that could happen. The trades that I should have taken this week. Nothing was interesting this week, so it was just a slow week. But it has been an amazing week, though. I took two trades, two wins, despite despite how the week transpired. So final thing, uh, overall, uh, over the over the month, I've taken around eight trades, and I'll just maybe one day do a review of how the month of March has been. Week one, I took two trades. Week two, I took two trades. Week three, I took two trades, and week four, as I took two trades. So overall, uh, my I took six wins and two break evens. So uh, it has been also an amazing month. So my biggest lesson of the month, uh, this market really has taught me well. It has taught me to be patient. Now realize that this market is just a game of patience. So I hope March has treated you well, and as we enter to March, looking forward to doing more and more videos. And I hope you like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Have a good one. Bye.